Now you have come to our factory to see the performance of our laser cutting machine, including place and tube, and also the bending machine and the welding machine, and also have the comprehensive overview about how our factory looks like. Can you give us some comment about what you see?
Yeah, overall the factory looks very professional. The work is very clean. Like I see many the cabinets, the working area, the people, the quite professional, and the working attitude and everything is very professional. And I see like the trial was also good, and the technicians are also very knowledge with the software and all the parts. Like when they try to explain me about the software and how to use the software, so I know like they are quite experienced and professional in this sector. And overall all the management is also very good. I see you have some charts and boards for different departments, so I think it's the factory also have a good management for the project. And the packaging, how like Haley showed me, like the parts which are ready, you cover them to protect them and everything. So it's like very small things, but is very important, and that means like you are very detailed for very small things and importance.
Yes, because everything is organized is very important, because only everything is organized, like the raw materials and components, so that the factory can guarantee the productivity.
Yes.
And make sure there's no problems. You were from Mumbai, from India, and you have a lot of friends and previous custom in China and India. One day, suppose you come back to India, or you met some other Chinese related customs, you like to recommend them our company, like DXTECH.
Yeah, sure.
So for the potential metal fabrication and bending and welding projects, so that I think in this way we can have a deeper cooperation.
Yeah, just like I'm here for one of our customer, but I already recommend another machine from your company to a different customer, because like if you have a source, then can share with different customers. I think this can also save our time. I don't have to travel and find new factories all the time. If I can find a reliable source, it's always good to share with different customers.
Yes, because you talk about the crane and the other machinery like the forklift, which are the cooperated tools for the factory.
Yes.
So I think there must be a lot of areas that we can potentially cooperate in the future. So I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much, Alex.